equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Dyson V11 engine. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your engine runs smoothly again. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a socket set, screwdrivers, a torque wrench, and a cleaning kit. Make sure you have everything ready before diving in. First, begin by disconnecting the battery. This is crucial for your safety. Use a 10mm socket to remove the negative terminal. Once that's done, we can move on to the engine cover. Remove the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Next, we'll inspect the internal components. Carefully lift the engine cover and take a moment to clean any debris or oil buildup. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek expert help. Now, let's check the spark plugs. Using a spark plug socket, remove each plug and inspect them for wear. If they appear damaged, it's best to replace them. Ensure you clean the spark plug holes before installing new plugs. This will prevent any debris from entering the combustion chamber. Moving on, we need to examine the fuel injectors. Disconnect the fuel lines carefully and use a cleaning kit to ensure they are free from blockages. If you're unsure about handling fuel lines, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional assistance without the hassle of travel. Once the injectors are clean, reattach them and ensure all connections are secure. Next, let's focus on the engine oil. Drain the old oil using a wrench to remove the oil pan bolts. Make sure to have a container ready to catch the old oil. After draining, replace the oil filter and refill with fresh oil, ensuring you use the correct type for the Dyson V11. Now, it's time to reassemble everything. Start by replacing the engine cover. Remember to tighten the screws to the manufacturer's specifications using a torque wrench. This is crucial to avoid any leaks or issues down the line. Before we finish, let's do a final check. Ensure all tools are removed from the engine bay, and double-check that all connections are secure. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, reconnect the battery and start the engine. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for leaks. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson V11 engine. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.